What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am JaylahMarshae. If you're new here, hey girl, what is up? Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY. I'm DIYing a video. I'm DIYing two tops, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like before and after. And I just wanted to show you guys. Sorry that I'm not wearing any makeup. I just have not been feeling like wearing makeup this week, so yeah, just ignore the bare face. But yeah, so I wanted to do that for you guys. So if you guys want to see what shirts I'm doing and what they look like, continue watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so these are the shirts that I'm doing. This is the Puma shirt that I got from Goodwill. I got this shirt from like a couple months, like around beginning of March or like around February, way before the quarantine thing happened. And I also got this as well. It's like a dress, but if you see here, it has little cutouts on the sides, and yeah, it's not so cute. I'll show you what it looks like, but yeah, it's kind of long. It looks like a dress, but I think it's like a top. It says it's a large, but it actually fits me. So this is what I'm gonna be cutting this up into like a really short crop top. I think I'm gonna have to like cut this a little bit, but it's gonna be a crop top, and it's like a graphic tee, and I've always wanted one. So I'm just gonna, I saw it at the Goodwill, and I said, why not? So I'm going to be cutting that. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on. So okay, so this is what the top look like. Don't mind the background, but this is what the first graphic tee top look like. Like, see, it's like kind of like ripped or whatever, and I'm just gonna cut this into a crop top, but it's kind of like holes or cutouts and all the way down, and it looks, and I thought it would be like a dress, but yeah, it doesn't cut out at the dress at all. So this is what this looks like, and I'm gonna find a way to cut it. I think I might cut this like up to here, just so like, I might cut it up to here or like a little bit lower, but this part gonna have to get cut out. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the second one next. Shirt, I'm not gonna cut all the way up to here. I wanted to keep just the whole square and the Puma thing, so I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit right here, at least to my stomach, so it'll be kind of long, a little bit of a crop top. I don't know, I love long shirts, but I just love crop tops even more. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut this up a little bit right here. And what I really love about it is that it's black, but it's also rose gold, and that is like one of my favorite colors. Rose gold is one of my favorite colors ever. I think I said that before on this channel. So yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do this top, and like I said, I think I'm gonna cut it, like across here. I think I'm just gonna like cut it across here, and I'll probably do like a time lapse of you guys doing that, of me. Oh, wow, I'm gonna do a time lapse of showing you guys what I'm doing, and yeah, so all you really need is these, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I cut this up. I'm actually gonna show it on and see if I still like it, and see if I like where it's at, and if not, I'm gonna cut up a little bit more. And I kind of want to poke some holes in it. I don't know if I want to poke some holes in there on the back or not, but yeah, so I'm gonna try this on. Okay, so this is how I cut it. I think I like the way it looks. Yeah, I think I like the way it looks. So I may like cut like little holes or something in it, or distress it just a little bit, and it might like distress the back a little bit, but honestly I think I like it like this. So yeah, I'm not cutting it shorter. I do like this, and I think I'm gonna distress it just a little bit more, and I'll be right back. This is what it looks like. I distressed it a little bit, and I tied it a little bit tighter over here, and yeah, I think this would be really cute with a pair of like high waist, like black jeans or something like that, and keep like some black smoky eye. I feel like this would be really cute to wear out with your friends, or if you're going to a concert somewhere. And I don't know, I just think this is really cute. I've always wanted like a top like this, so, and I got one, so yeah. So on to the Puma top. Okay, next is this top, and I'm just gonna cut it up to here, like probably right under this little box square thing or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna cut that and see you in a minute. My Puma crop top, I'm actually really excited about this. I'm really excited how this turned out. I'm not gonna do anything to it, anything else to this. I kind of like the way it looks, and I think it's really cute to just lounge around the house. I've been in leggings all past week, like this whole month, and I'm kind of over it. Maybe tomorrow I'll like wear some, I don't know. I need to shampoo my hair. I've just been feeling unmotivated, but I feel like this is really cute. So yeah, so this is how I did this, and yeah, this is kind of it. It's just, you know, a DIY crop top. I did it because I was basically bored, and so yeah. This was me DIYing 2 of my tops because I was bored, and I've been really wanting to do this video for a while, and I just haven't got a chance to get to it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I'm not wearing any makeup, I just didn't feel like wearing it today. Really not going anywhere. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and turn on a bell notification so you'll be notified when I do upload. And thank you so much for like just subscribing, like I said. And yeah, let me know what other videos you guys would like for me to do in DIY. I have a haul coming for you guys on Friday, and I'm really excited about it. And yeah, I love you guys. Stay strong. We're gonna get through this. And love you. Bye.